No. No. Are you sure? Both my boys? Not both my boys. Have I not suffered enough? Not both my boys. First you take their father. Now you take them. Why didn't you take me instead? Do you have no heart? Are you a monster?